Welcome again, wonderful viewers, to your health channel. We really appreciate your support. Today, we're diving into the world of immune-boosting foods and habits to help you stay healthy naturally. We are exploring 15 powerful foods and health habits that can help boost your immune system naturally. In today's fast-paced world, maintaining a strong immune system is more important than ever. Our immune system acts as the body's defense mechanism, protecting us from harmful pathogens, viruses, and bacteria. But beyond just warding off illness, a robust immune system plays a crucial role in our overall health and well-being. But before we look at how to boost your immune system, let's us first understand why it is very important to maintain strong immunity. 1. Disease prevention. A strong immune system helps prevent the onset of various diseases and infections, reducing the risk of illnesses such as colds, flu, and chronic conditions like diabetes and heart disease. Faster recovery. With a robust immune system, the body can recover more quickly from illnesses and injuries, allowing us to get back to our daily activities sooner. Improved energy levels. When the immune system is functioning optimally, it can better regulate energy levels, reducing fatigue and increasing vitality. Enhanced quality of life. A healthy immune system contributes to overall well-being, allowing us to enjoy life to the fullest without being sidelined by frequent illnesses or health issues. Longevity. Studies have shown that individuals with strong immune systems tend to live longer, healthier lives, with a reduced risk of age-related diseases and complications. Better stress management. A robust immune system helps the body cope with stress more effectively, reducing the negative impact of stress on physical and mental health. Improved mental health. There is a strong connection between the immune system and mental health, with a healthy immune system playing a role in mood regulation and cognitive function. Protection during travel. A strong immune system provides added protection when traveling, reducing the risk of picking up illnesses from crowded places or unfamiliar environments. Resilience against allergies. An optimally functioning immune system can help reduce the severity of allergic reactions and minimize symptoms associated with allergies. Support during times of crisis. During times of crisis, such as pandemics or natural disasters, a strong immune system is our first line of defense, helping us withstand and recover from challenges more effectively. With these important benefits in mind, it's clear that nurturing our immune system should be a top priority. And one of the best ways to support our immune health is through the foods we eat and the habits we cultivate in our daily lives. Next is 15 powerful foods and health habits that can help boost your immune system naturally. But before we go into this, please support this channel by hitting the subscribe and like buttons below. Many thanks for subscribing. What are these 15 powerful foods and health habits that can help boost your immune system naturally? 1. Citrus fruits, oranges, lemons, limes. Rich in vitamin C, citrus fruits stimulate the production of white blood cells, which help fight infections. Enjoy citrus fruits as snacks. Add slices to water for a refreshing drink, or squeeze them over salads and dishes for a zesty flavor. 2. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, Swiss chard. Packed with vitamins A, C, and E, as well as antioxidants and fiber, leafy greens support immune health and reduce inflammation. Include leafy greens in salads, sandwiches, smoothies, or sauté them with garlic and olive oil as a nutritious side dish. 3. Garlic. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that boost immune function and combat pathogens. Add minced garlic to soups, stir-fries, pasta sauces, or roasted vegetables for a flavorful immune boost. 4. Yogurt. Probiotics in yogurt maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria, crucial for immune function. Enjoy yogurt with fruit and nuts for breakfast, use it as a base for smoothies, or include it in salad dressings and marinades. 5. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. Berries are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that support immune function and reduce oxidative stress. Add berries to oatmeal, yogurt, pancakes, or salads, or enjoy them as a healthy snack on their own. 6. Almonds. Almonds are packed with vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps boost immune function and protect cells from damage. Snack on almonds, add them to salads or yogurt, or use almond butter as a spread for sandwiches or fruit. 7. Turmeric. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that support immune health. Add turmeric to soups, stews, curries, or smoothies for a golden boost of flavor and immunity. 8. Ginger. Ginger contains gingerol, a bioactive compound with antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties that can help support immune function. Brew ginger tea, add grated ginger to stir-fries, soups, or smoothies, or use it to make homemade ginger shots. 9. Green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, particularly catechins, which have been shown to enhance immune function and protect against viruses and bacteria. Enjoy green tea as a warm beverage, or use it as a base for smoothies or iced tea for a refreshing immune boost. 10. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, which plays a critical role in immune function and helps maintain the health of mucous membranes. Roast sweet potatoes as a side dish, mash them as a topping for toast or salads, or use them as a base for soups or stews. 11. Citrus peels. The outer layer of citrus fruits contains essential oils and flavonoids that provide additional immune-boosting benefits, making it a valuable addition to dishes and beverages. Grate citrus zest over salads, yogurt, desserts, or marinades to add a burst of flavor and immune support. 12. Mushrooms, shiitake, reishi, maitake. Mushrooms are rich in beta-glucans, polysaccharides that stimulate immune cell activity and enhance the body's defense mechanisms. Incorporate mushrooms into stir-fries, soups, omelets, or pasta dishes for a savory immune boost. 13. Oily fish, salmon, mackerel, sardines. Oily fish are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties and support immune function by enhancing the activity of immune cells. Enjoy grilled or baked fish as a main dish, add canned fish to salads or sandwiches, or include fish oil supplements in your daily routine. 14. Proper hydration. Staying hydrated is crucial for optimal immune function. Water helps flush toxins from the body and supports the proper functioning of immune cells. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, aim for at least 8 glasses, and hydrate with herbal teas, infused water, or coconut water for added flavor and hydration. 15. Regular exercise. Regular physical activity helps boost immune function by promoting circulation, reducing inflammation, and enhancing the body's ability to fight off infections. Incorporate regular exercise into your routine, such as brisk walking, jogging, cycling, yoga, or strength training, for at least 30 minutes most days of the week. By incorporating these nutrient-rich foods and practices into your daily routine, you can strengthen your body's defenses and support overall wellness. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and remember to prioritize your health.